So that's my machine. It's a Takeuchi TR140. Had it since 06, so about 16 years. We're trying this machine out today. It's a Takeuchi TV230. So it weighs about 6,000 pounds. Considering buying one of these. It's a traditional tail swing. So if you look at the tail, it swings over the tracks. That gives it a counterbalance. So the advantage of a zero tail swing is you don't hit the house, you don't hit a retaining wall, but they don't pick up as much weight. So far the guys are saying that this TV230 picks up as much weight and has as much digging power as the John Deere 35G, which weighs 8,200 pounds. And it sounds hard to believe, but it might be true, because the John Deere is a zero tail swing and the Takeuchi is traditional. So the location of the boom and the engine, the way it sits over the track, so the platform is very different. It's like adding a counterweight across the back. So we had to get a breaker hammer out here, break all this rock up. We had the breaker on the skid steer, and then the 230 digs it out. Just running into solid rock right there. Not sure what we're gonna do. On the machine there. That's his dad and the skid steer, and his brother's working on masonry over there, and their cousin as well. So these guys are all family. They're backfilling the wall we built the last 2 days. This wall's about 5 feet. And the reason he's not worried about getting that 6,000 pound machine above the wall and blowing the wall out or moving the wall is because, first of all, we compact all of our trenches properly, and then we put geogrid every other course on the wall and compact the backfill. So this wall it'll be here 2,000 years from now. It's an engineered wall. You can build these 50, 60 feet tall if they're done right. And honestly, that compaction is a step that a lot of companies take some shortcuts on that. We've got a jumping jack here in the hole and a blade compactor on the right. We use them both. The orange one is more for dirt, the blue one's more for gravel, but they work great together.